Quality management has always followed a cycle: plan, control, assure, improve. AI does not change that cycle, it strengthens every step. Consider a turbine component supplier struggling with a 3% yield loss that everyone accepted as normal process variation. They installed an AI monitoring system on their 5-axis machines that analyzed spindle torque, vibration, and coolant flow in real time. The model learned to recognize the subtle pattern that preceded an out-of-tolerance drift and alerted operators to adjust tool offsets before any part went bad. Within 6 months, yield loss dropped from 3.2% to under 1%. The operators did not lose their jobs. They gained a powerful early warning system that made them more effective. That is what AI in quality management really looks like. The same people, the same standards, the same commitment to excellence, but with a tool that helps them see trouble coming before it arrives.